Welcome to Launch with Avatars, where we build business without ever showing our face.
Today we'll reveal how AI-powered faceless content can let you create, grow, and scale a professional business from behind the scenes. With AI avatars like HeyGen, you can produce studio-quality video content in minutes, bypassing cameras, actors, or any expensive production setup. Why go faceless? For one, it protects your privacy and slashes production costs. Industry experts note that faceless content lets creators remain anonymous and skip expensive filming gear. Meanwhile, AI tools handle the heavy lifting of creation, so you get the same impact without personally being on camera. It's a true luxury brand approach, high quality and efficient. In this tutorial, we'll walk through 4 key parts: building blocks, choosing your niche and tools, the creation workflow, writing scripts, setting up your HeyGen avatar, editing and posting, and finally the scaling system, using a content calendar, repurposing, and automation. By the end, you'll have a complete blueprint for an AI-driven faceless business. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more AI creator strategies. We've also linked free resources and related playlists below. First up, lay the groundwork. The niche you pick will guide your entire brand. Focus on areas where faceless content thrives. For example, motivational or finance topics often succeed with voiceovers. Think of niches that naturally use narration and visuals instead of a host. Pick something you enjoy and that has a passionate audience. Next, assemble your AI toolset. Here are your must-haves. Tools like ChatGPT can draft and refine your video scripts in seconds. Use it to brainstorm titles, outlines, and even full dialogue. We'll use HeyGen as our main tool. It transforms text into a talking avatar video with perfect lip sync. HeyGen offers hundreds of realistic avatars, and you can even create a custom one, and supports dozens of languages. With HeyGen, you can instantly create studio-quality videos, no cameras, actors, or editing skills needed. Platforms like Pixflow AI voiceover or Murph generate professional narration if you prefer a different voice style. Stock footage and image sites, Unsplash, Pexels, and video template libraries, Canva, and Vato, supply background visuals and animations. Even though HeyGen outputs polished clips, keep a basic editor like CapCut, Canva Video, or DaVinci Resolve handy for adding overlays, music, or extra transitions. By combining ChatGPT for scripts with HeyGen's avatars and pro voices, you cover all content creation steps. Finally, define your content format. Faceless channels often use formats like tutorial, how-to videos, top 10 listicles, narrated storytelling, animated explainers, or podcast-style episodes. These formats rely on voice narration with visuals, so your AI avatar fits perfectly. For example, an AI narrator paired with stock clips can make a personal finance tutorial or a spooky story come alive without any on-camera host. Remember, even without showing a face, you're building a brand. Design a logo, pick a color scheme, and write a friendly, consistent voice for your avatar. Tools like Canva make it easy to create sleek logos and thumbnails. Your HeyGen avatar will become your on-screen persona, so choose one that matches your brand vibe. If you like, you can use HeyGen's avatar customization to craft a unique digital representative. Before we move on, take a moment to subscribe and download our free Faceless Brand Starter Kit. The link is in the description. It includes a niche checklist and branding templates to kickstart your journey. Now let's produce your first video step by step. We'll start with a solid script and end with a published clip. Step 1. Script writing. Use ChatGPT as a writing assistant. Prompt it with your topic, desired tone, and length. For example, you might input, write a 5-minute video script explaining how to start an online side hustle with clear sections and a friendly tone. ChatGPT will quickly generate an outline or full draft. It's like having an all-knowing co-writer. Then refine that draft. Add your own examples and make sure it matches your brand voice. Break the content into clear sections, a hook, main points, and a wrap-up. As content experts advise, maintaining a consistent tone and style is crucial. Once you're happy, paste the final script into a text editor. Step 2. Avatar setup in HeyGen. Go to heygen.com and log in. Choose an avatar. HeyGen has dozens of stock characters, or you can upload a selfie video to make a custom avatar. Pick the one that fits your tone, e.g. professional, casual, energetic. Now copy your script text into HeyGen's input field. Select the language and voice style. HeyGen supports over 175 languages and dialects, so you can target any audience. When you click Generate, HeyGen's AI will create a video of your avatar speaking the script with natural lip sync, gestures, and expression. Review the result. You can adjust the pacing or emphasis if needed. Make sure your avatar's expression and tone feel on brand. With HeyGen's output, you already have a polished clip. Step 3. Editing and polish. Download the HeyGen video file. If you want extra flair, import it into a simple editor like Canva Video or CapCut. Add your logo overlay, intros or outro slides, lower thirds, or background music. For example, drop in an upbeat royalty-free track at low volume to make it more engaging. Also create a thumbnail in Canva, use a bold title text, your logo, and the avatar's image for a consistent look. Don't forget captions. Add subtitles on YouTube or use an auto caption tool. Finally, optimize metadata. Write a keyword-rich title and description for your video. Treat YouTube like a search engine. Include your main keyword early, e.g. online side hustle tips 2025, and fill the description with helpful details. This helps new viewers find your video. Step 4. Posting and optimization. Upload the final video to YouTube or your chosen platform. Add an eye-catching thumbnail and those keywords in title, tags, and description. You can publish immediately or schedule it for a later time. We'll talk about timing in the next section. Once live, share the link on your social channels. Pin it on your channel homepage and feature it in a playlist to maximize views. If you're following along, hit subscribe and check out our playlist on AI content tutorials for deeper dives on each tool we used. Now, let's move on to multiplying this process every week. With your first video live, it's time to scale up. The secret is consistency and multi-platform presence. First, set up a content calendar. Plan your publishing schedule in advance. For example, decide to post one long-form video each week and intersperse daily shorts or social posts in between. Use a simple spreadsheet or tools like Google Calendar, Trello, or Notion to map out topics by date. AI-driven tools can even help. As Relevance AI notes, modern content platforms can analyze performance patterns and automate scheduling decisions for you. For now, just plot out your next 4-6 video topics on a calendar, assign dates, and set reminders. Next, repurpose your content. One video can become dozens of posts. Clip the long video into 15 to 60-second YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok segments. Extract quotes or tips into Twitter threads or LinkedIn posts. Convert the transcript into a blog article or podcast segment. The idea is to give every piece of content multiple lives. Anna Burgess-Yang explains that automation can kick off a list of follow-up tasks once you publish. Things like creating tweets or short clips automatically. Use AI to help here too. For example, send your video transcript to ChatGPT with a prompt like, "Create 5 Instagram carousel captions from this text." ChatGPT will spit out drafts you can tweak. In a few clicks, you'll have social posts and scripts for more videos. Finally, automate routine tasks. Link your tools with services like Zapier or Make. For instance, set up a Zap. When a new YouTube video is published, create tasks for social clips or auto-post a promo tweet. You can also schedule posts automatically. Apps like Buffer or Hootsuite, now Make.com AI agents, can queue your repurposed content at optimal times. This ensures that once you hit publish on one video, your content workflow runs itself in the background. As your library grows, continue analyzing what works. YouTube Analytics will show which topics or clip styles get the most engagement. Double down on those winners. Consider creating multiple HeyGen avatars to test different presenter styles. Use AI analytics tools to spot trends. The goal is to let AI handle the repetitive work so you can focus on your creative big ideas. By repeating this system, plan, create, automate, you'll produce weeks of content in just a few hours. Each week's cycle of writing, generating, editing, and posting will pay off in consistent growth. If you enjoyed this workflow, download our free content calendar template, link below. It's built to integrate with automation tools so you never miss a deadline. Check our playlist for deep dives on niche research and content repurposing. Now it's your turn to be faceless but fearless. Plan your next video, hit generate, and watch your brand grow, all without stepping in front of a camera. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more premium AI creator strategies. See you in the next video.
Here's the truth. The biggest mistake people make with side hustles is waiting until everything feels perfect. By the time you feel ready, someone else is already cashing in on the idea you thought of. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to launch an online side hustle this week without burning out or breaking the bank. First, why even start a side hustle? For most people, it's about freedom. Maybe you want to pay down debt, save for travel, or just stop relying on one paycheck. The online space makes that possible because you don't need a storefront or massive investment. All you need is Wi-Fi, a skill or interest, and consistency. Think of it like planting a seed that could grow into something much bigger. Once you know your lane, build your starter platform. For freelancing, set up a profile on Fiverr or Upwork. For e-commerce, test with Etsy or Shopify. If you're leaning into content creation, start small. Launch a TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube channel. The goal isn't perfection, it's visibility. People can't buy from you if they don't know you exist. This is the part where most people fall off. Consistency. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about showing up regularly. That might mean posting 3 videos a week, listing new products every weekend, or pitching to 2 new clients a day. Small, repeated actions beat one big push every time. Think marathon, not sprint.